Welcome back to Hack Trip Easy. Today, we're comparing the travel styles of two global icons, Taylor Swift and Beyoncé. Taylor Swift travels for stories, inspiration, and emotion. Think cozy streets, quiet cafes, walking cities, and places that spark creativity. Beyoncé travels for power, comfort, and iconic moments. Five-star stays, bold skylines, unforgettable destinations, and luxury experiences done right. So what's your travel vibe? Are you a Taylor romantic, creative, and slow travel focused? Or a Beyoncé confident, stylish, and all about premium experiences? In this episode, we break down their travel styles, share smart travel hacks, and help you choose the one that fits you best. Let's hack your next trip easy. This episode highlights contrasting travel styles as its main theme. Taylor Swift represents story-driven travel experiences. Beyoncé embodies power-focused luxury travel. The visuals create a striking contrast between cozy streets and a luxury skyline. This sets up a core comparison that will be explored further. Taylor Swift's travel choices are driven by emotion and creative inspiration. Her travel destinations often prioritize atmosphere and storytelling potential. She gravitates towards locations with a sense of history and romance. Quiet streets offer a backdrop for reflective moments. Bookstores and cafes in historic cities provide rich, evocative settings. Taylor-style travel emphasizes a relaxed pace and immersive experiences. It begins with slow mornings, allowing for a gentle start to the day. Exploration involves leisurely walks through cities, observing daily life. Writing and reflection are integral, fostering personal insights. Visiting cozy cafes provides opportunities for relaxation and observation. Cultural spots are explored to foster inspiration and emotional connection. To emulate Taylor Swift's travel style, choose accommodations in central neighborhoods. Prioritize walking as a primary mode of transportation to fully experience the surroundings. Plan for a reduced number of activities to avoid a rushed, checklist-driven approach. The focus should be on gaining inspiration from the travel experience rather than ticking off tourist attractions. Beyoncé's travel philosophy is centered on confidence and luxury. Her travels aim to create unforgettable moments. Her destination choices reflect boldness and iconicity. She prefers five-star hotels with stunning views and statement-making experiences. This travel style prioritizes comfort and privacy above all else. Premium experiences are a core element, ensuring a high-end journey. Visiting iconic landmarks is essential for creating memorable moments. The overall goal is to exude power and confidence while enjoying exclusive activities and accommodations. Luxury travel prioritizes quality and immersive experiences over frequent location changes. The focus shifts from constant movement to savoring a single, carefully chosen destination. A key element is arriving in style, emphasizing comfort and elegance in transit. The goal is to deeply appreciate the destination's offerings rather than rushing through multiple places. This approach transforms travel into a more relaxed and enriching experience. Two distinct travel styles cater to different preferences and priorities. Taylor Swift's travel style emphasizes cozy cities and creative exploration. This approach focuses on slow-paced, emotionally resonant travel experiences. Beyoncé's travel style prioritizes luxury and iconic, high-end destinations. Ultimately, the ideal travel style depends on individual tastes and desires. Storytelling or luxury? Cozy streets or iconic skylines? Taylor Swift or Beyoncé, choose your travel style. This is Hack Trip Easy. Like, subscribe, and travel smarter.